We got a new Minimax M2.1 and we're gonna use it to write blog articles and how we can use this AI agent to test our SEO blog articles and etc. every single thing, and we're gonna ask it to build some tools to rank in Google. Now we have got the Minimax M2.1, the latest model and significantly enhanced multi-language programming built for real-world complex tasks. Now what we're gonna do is you can simply head over to minimax.io and here click on try agent now, and you're gonna be in this landing page. And here what I'm gonna do is we have some attributes right here, so we can select manually the Gemini 3 Pro and Minimax M2. So I'm just gonna let it be in a Minimax M2.1, and we can also see the air for the high efficiency and speed for most style and custom, and also the pro. Now I'm just gonna let it be in this, and here I'm just gonna go here and enter the task. So my task is gonna be, so let me just go here, free keyword generator. Here I'm just gonna search, so let me search for calculators. Go and find keywords. Now calculators is a seed keyword and I'm gonna pick the easy keyword I will try to build. So let me just go to the questions, and here let me just, okay, so we have the percentage calculators, scientific calculators, loan calculators, how do calculators work, auto loan calculators, home loan calculators. Okay, let me just pick the mortgage calculators, go back, and here I'm just gonna put this as a seed keyword and still find keywords. Now what I'm doing is I'm iterating. So here I have the easy one, which is a commercial mortgage calculator. So let me just go to the questions and find the easy one. How accurate are mortgage calculators accurate? Okay, how accurate online what mortgage payment calculators, mortgage calculators, how much I can borrow. Now I'm just gonna, I find this topic as a very unique, so I'm just gonna take this and go to the Minimax agent, and here I'm just gonna give it a task. Your task is to build a humanized blog article of 700 words around the LTK. I'm just gonna give the title, and also please build a mortgage calculator and write it in HTML so that I can copy paste it into my custom HTML in WordPress. Alright, this is the task. So let me just hit enter. So okay, I have to log in, so let me just go here and log in. Alright, now that you can see I have successfully logged in, so I'm just gonna select the Minimax 2.0, and here I'm just gonna enter the prompt. I can also add the sub agent MCP, and I can also customize the project settings. I can also attach the files and ask it to follow the writing patterns. Now I'm just gonna hit enter. Alright, now that you can see it is performing the task, the agent is continuing to perform. So you can see how it has written something. I'll have to create a humanized blog article about mortgage calculators and build a functional HTML calculator. Let me start by researching current information about, okay, it went on doing the complete current research, is searched on a web. Okay, good, it is accessing the website URL. No, let me just look at the files. Okay, we have got the blog article in a HTML. Alright, now the thing is I want to check how good if it is humanized or not. So I'm just gonna go back and go to my WordPress account and type in HTML, paste the HTML. Also I want to look at the calculator, so let me just go to the calculator WordPress. So let me just go to the code and paste it right here. So we have got the preview of the calculator and we have got the preview of the blog. Now the thing is I want to check how well this blog is So let me just take some of this and go to the so Quillbot is a website where you can check a grammar check, paraphrase, AI detector, plagiarism, and here let me just put the text inside the AI detector and click on detect AI, and we have got the 0% of the text is like the AI. So let me just go here and read this a little bit. So here's a truth that might sting a little. Just because a lender says you can borrow 400k doesn't mean you should mortgage. Pre-approvals look at your debt to income ratio, your credit score. Now, as far as these M dashes are not present in a blog article, it should be good. I just hate this M dashes guy. I don't know about you, but and also we have got the dialogue written here. So when you ask how much you can borrow, you're really asking the wrong thing. Now, I think this is a pretty good the pretty good article. So it has also customized the inline and everything. So okay, the headings are good, and the only thing which I'm missing is FAQs, and it has also written the about the author, and we have got the conclusion in a different title. That's good. I'm ready to see what you can afford. So it is also adding a call to action, which is really good. So we also got the calculator, so let's just go here and test it out. So I'm just gonna click on okay, let me just first save this and take it to the preview. So let me just click on calculate. Right, so now you can see this is a good calculator. So guys, by using this calculator, using these tools, and by using these tools and optimizing for certain keywords, you can easily do that, and Minimax did it really well. So this is about Minimax, and if you want to, and guys, if you're struggling to monetize your blogs, there'll be a link in the description. You can check that out, or you can also have a one-on-one call with me and we can talk, and we'll see how we can help you improve your blog articles. With that said, catch you on the next one.